swim, press down. Exhale, press down, more down. Both hands straight, tongue tight. Slowly inhale to head bow, leg up and stretch. Inhale up. Exhale, slowly get down. HATHA and by swim, press the shoulder down. Get your hip to the wall and move swim to the wall. Very good. Inhale, come up. Head bow. Hunch your back, same like cat. Slowly get down. Tongue tight. Ground stretch, press down. Both hands straight. Last two. Inhale, slowly up. Touch your shoulder to the wall. Exhale, slowly take it down and hold that. And by swim, press down. 6. Come on, 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Okay, slowly inhale, come back, same like cat. And exhale, hunch your back here, thalam. Thalam wide, move it here. Take your block a little closer to each other. Again, inhale, look up. And exhale, touch your upper chest. Take it down here. Press down. Okay. Then again, slowly see. Hunch your back. Take it up. Now, hold the block here. Okay, don't move it. Okay, here. Again, inhale. Exhale. First take a hip back. Look up to the wall. Look up to the block and press here. Tongue tight. Here. And slowly come on here. Good. Exhale. Press down. Try to touch your upper chest to the wall. Inhale. Now hold the block there only. Exhale. Try to touch your upper chest to the wall and look into the block. Press down. Look up. Inhale. Take it up. Exhale. Slowly press down. Look up. Try to touch your upper chest to the wall. Press down. Both hands straight. Okay, last two. Inhale. Take it up. Exhale. Press down and hold that. Look up to the block. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Okay, slowly inhale. Put your blocks down. And exhale. Here, slowly bend forward. Down and rise. Okay. See, first try to catch here. Rotate here, rotate the shoulder. You have to catch here. Then try to rotate the shoulder, arm straight. Now see, the distance between your knee and chair will go according to your flexibility. So first catch there. If you feel forward, so you can go a little back. Take a knee little gap. Then rotate the shoulder. Then see, when I rotate the shoulder, take a hip back. Okay, not like this. Okay, you have to push your hip little back. Then chest up. Then you have to rotate. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Okay, see hip up. Inhale up. Inhale like this, push your hip forward. Exhale. Here, press. Okay, here, exhale. Do 1 leg to 1 leg. Out. Okay, then rotate your shoulder. Okay, you can go direct. Then inhale, push it here. Exhale. Take it up. Yeah. Try to sit down. Tongue tight. Okay. See how to support to your hands are straight. Okay. Again, inhale up. Push your hip forward. Squeeze the hip. Yeah. Exhale. Press down, sit down more. Lock your chin. Again, inhale. Right? Try everybody. So exhale, hip down. Okay. Try everybody. Push by touching and push the hip down. Okay. Maybe have to use a little more higher. Okay, see here. Here. Press it. Now see, if you're not able to push your hip down, then just a little more out. Then again, try to push down. Now, but if you feel difficult, so little higher, you can use block. Or you can sit down, then lay. Okay. Then take a leg forward, forward. Okay. Then một tay đây, một tay ăn đây. Ăn một thẳng chân. Okay. Inhale up. Okay, you gập chân, thở ra, ăn bùng xuống, gập chân bây giờ. Gập chân.
Mặc cái bộ này cũng nổi đẹp hơn cái sao? Sao mà đẹp thế cô chứ?
Okay, grab everybody. Xuống. Folding. Expand your ribcage. Now bây giờ thay chân. Mông xuống thay chân. Okay. Grab everybody slowly. Đi chân. Gập chân. Ăn mông xuống. Ăn mông. Press. Okay, hip drop. Inhale up. Take a picture. See like this. First you have to do. Inhale up. Exhale 3 down here. Then chop tight first. Then slowly how to take your hands down. Then slowly try to take your feet on the fingertips here. Then try to take your knee closer and take your head up. Push the hip down. Push the hip down. Hold. Feet together. Okay. Now, chụp chân. Hai chân chốt, ăn lưng xuống.
Người mục tiêu. Người mục tiêu.
Little gap chin first. Then again the distance between ball and your hip will be according to your flexible. Then first tie here, then two. Okay, then here, thang chân. Take it here, thang tight. If possible, you can catch the here. Then you can up. Okay, or tie here, mũi chân xuống. Here. If you feel your hip is closer to the wall, so see hip will move forward. Okay, then according to that you can do this.